Hey everybody, it is Jessica Shaney from the Parkway Senior Center and
Carl Lewis from the Connie Hudson Senior Center.
And today we are making super stuffed baked apples. So I hope y'all enjoy.
Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, no, no. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Till I come marching home.
So the first step in making your super stuffed baked apples is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
So I have Cynthia here with me, and so for this recipe, it's pretty simple. All you need are 4 to 5 red delicious apples, a half cup of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of raisins, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So you want to make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And as you can see, we have already cored our apples. You just want to make sure that when you core them, you leave the bottom part intact because we are gonna stuff these bad boys. So you're gonna mix all of your dried ingredients in a bowl. And then you're gonna cut the butter in it and mix it real good. And then once it's mixed in there, we are going to scoop it into the apples. And it works better if your butter is already soft to do this, so keep that in mind. And you might get a little dirty, but that's okay. So next month, we are going to be highlighting recipes with pumpkin for October. So that should be a lot of fun. So once your mixture is well mixed, all you're gonna do is stuff your apple, hence the name Super Stuffed Baked Apples. So when you get all of them stuffed, you are going to bake them in a baking sheet, and you want to bake them for about 30 minutes or until the apples are tender and you see that filling bubbling over. And this is a very simple recipe. I mean, it takes less than 10 minutes to make. So it really is a good fall recipe that you can serve as like an appetizer, or if you're having a party, you can kind of have these on hand. So we're gonna go take these to the oven and we will be back to show you our finished product. Hey y'all, look who I found. It's Mary. So Mary is going to try our delicious stuffed baked apples. And of course, she is unbiased in this review.
Very good, very good.